Hi Senior Band, today in this video we have a special presentation, a bass workshop for our lower instruments, bass clarinet, bassoon, and anyone using bass clef can join along, including piano left hands, bass guitarists can play along if anyone can play bass guitar as well. Now most of the bass parts are long notes, and hopefully some of you bass players have been playing along to the last videos as well. So we're going to start straight away a bit faster than the other videos, straight away at 120, and we're going to repeat everything at 150 and hopefully play the whole piece at 150 by the end of today. Okay, let's start by playing the whole thing at 120 BPM. Okay, that was quite a long slog. Well done to get through that. Now we're going to go through everything in smaller chunks. We're going to start at 120 and repeat every one of these chunks at 150. So let's start with letter A all the way to letter C, and we're going to watch out for our first and second time bar. And the same thing now, quicker at 150. Okay, next on the list is letter C. It's only 8 bars long. I want you guys to play this loud, forte, with accents on each note and staccatos, so a little shorter than normal. Let's try it. First at 120. And now at 150. Okay, next we want to play letter D. Now C, just like I said in the last video, was staccato and accented. Letter D is all legato, longer notes joined together. Now you bass players have a lot of long notes here. So same goes for letter A actually. You can take a breath probably after every 4 bars. So it'll be, hopefully you can get through 4 bars and it'll sound like... If you can't get through 4 bars, you're welcome to take one after 2 bars. Okay, let's do letter D, 120 BPM, all legato with that breathing. And the same at 150. And now our last little chunk of the piece, we're going to go from 3 before E all the way to the end. Same as the last few videos, we've been working on joining letter D to letter E. So 3 before E, all the way to the end. First at 120, let's try. And we do the same at 150. Alright, that's all the hard work done. I think now we're ready to play the entire piece with repeats from the beginning to the end, now at 150. Alright, thank you to all our bass players for playing along to that. It was a lot of work, good effort, a lot of blowing for you guys. Really try and work on your breathing and make sure when you do breathe you're not affecting the timing of the next note. So take some time out of the previous note, not being late to the very next note. That's the key. we're going to work on building some speed. So we already got to 150 today, but I think performance tempo will be closer to 200. So in the next video, we're going to work on building up towards 200 for the whole band. Everyone can join in next week. Once again, thanks for playing along and happy practicing.